Hey guys, it's Hunter Prick here. This is a video on my dad's 1997 Polaris Ultra 600. Gonna be a cold start, look. Flat out cold. And let's see how many pulls it will take. Maybe give her a little bit of choke. About 4 or 5 pulls. Yeah, the sled runs beautiful. Oh, backfire. Yeah, guys. Yeah, the sled sounds so beautiful. Had a little bit of backfire there, but this thing is gonna be gone maybe. If this dude will ever come get it. Selling it for $200. I'm trying to figure out why it won't start right now. I don't know why, but at horse pulling, I tried to race this thing, and it did not want to run for everything. It broke the rope cord. All that fancy stuff. Yeah. But this sled, I love this sled. This thing does 100. If I called it from where we are right now to all the way to that corner, I can do 100. Do flat out 100. But this thing, piece of crap. Does not want to run or nothing. It's a piece of shit. Just get rid of it. Get another Polaris, but my dad bought it. This is our second sled. This was our first sled. Then I had the Indy. I just put a video up on. I might be selling the Yamaha 175 for like 300 or something. It runs beautiful. All it needs is a carb, a twist throttle, and a coil, and the thing would run mint, and a chain. Yeah, I'm gonna figure out why that thing won't start, and I'll get update on it. See you guys.